Welcome to the After Effects interface section. You might have started already working in After Effects, but still this section is very useful to set the best working environment to achieve even more in After Effects and learn a lot about the interface. You will start by understanding how to use the workspaces and how to set the best workspace for the course and for After Effects work in general. You will also learn how to move and resize the panels. It's important right from the start for you to learn how to properly create a new composition, be it from footage or just a blank composition. I will also show you how to establish links for your missing footage or when the footage goes missing. You will also learn how to use the brand new Visual Keyboard Shortcut Editor, where you can discover useful shortcuts and set new shortcuts depending on your keyboard layout. So let's dive in, and in the next lecture, we start with the workspaces.